Today we're going to go over three very basic movements. We're going to go over a squat, a lunge, and a push-up. Let's go ahead and start with the push-up. So if you're doing a push-up, it's very important to keep proper form. So that's what that's going to be. It's going to be putting your hands underneath your shoulders, feet together, and bringing your body down until your elbows are at parallel or 90 degrees. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like. So as I said, your hands are going to be underneath your shoulder blades, underneath your shoulders. Your fingers are actually going to be pointed up. You don't want to point them out. It's going to make it awkward and could actually cause injury. So hands are going to be pointed forward. Your feet are going to be together. Don't bring your feet out. Feet are going to be together. And then, like I said, you're going to go down so your elbows hit parallel. You're not going to touch the floor. You're going to be just above the floor and then push on out. The next movement we're going to go over to is a squat. For a squat, your legs are going to go slightly outside of your hips. Feet are going to be pointed slightly out, and you're going to bring your body down, your butt pushing out, chest coming down, and legs going and hitting that parallel again. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. So as I said, you're going to be coming down, legs going parallel. It's very important to keep your feet planted and your hips are going to be going into that backwards position, and it's very important to keep your heels planted onto the ground. So you can come all the way down till those legs hit parallel. Now you can go below parallel, but for right now, just keep it at parallel. And then with any other exercise, you're going to explode on up into squat. So next, we're going to hit a lunge. So for a lunge, you're going to be alternating between your right and your left leg. So let's start with the right leg first. So for this exercise, you're going to bring your leg just outside of your body. And the important part to notice is that you're going to be bringing your foot, and it's going to be straight across. It's going to be pointed straight ahead. Now you want to be your leg far enough out so when you're going down into the lunge, your knee is not going to go over your foot. Next, bring your back foot up so that it's on the toes. You want to be on the balls of your feet here. The heels, it's going to be up, and that's okay. And then it's simply just going to be dropping levels. So again, we'll see what that looks like. So you're going to be dropping down. Notice how my knee is not going over my foot, and my leg is just coming down. Now again, with the push-up, it's very important that you do not touch the ground. This is going to take all tension away from your muscles. It's going to cause them to relax. You want to keep that tension constant and just be floating right above the ground. Same thing, come up and go back to your starting position. Left leg, very similar. Coming out to a position where your knee is not going to go above your foot. Toes are pointed forward. Back leg, you have your balls of your feet on the ground, heel is up, and again, you're just dropping down. Coming straight down, changing levels. Do not let the knee touch the ground. Knee is not over my feet. That's what you want to see. Then again, shooting straight back up into that starting position. So that's going to be how you do a squat, a lunge, and a push-up.